And today actually I forgot one thing. I haven't asked like how guys are doing. Like I mean it's been lot of days I have been I have taken kind of some gap, but the sequence I will follow, it will be like maybe weekly or monthly. Okay, but still I will ask everyone like how guys are, like I don't know like how I need to address, how I need to ask this question. Tell me like how are you guys? How are you, all of you? Yeah, this road is hurting my bike. I mean, the road is empty, everyone is speeding their vehicle. I think I am the one. No, everyone. But ride safely, guys. Wow, what was that? Actually, you can feel these, seasons here. Seasons like spring, autumn, and all those seasons. You cannot do whatever you want. This kind of accent, actually I have watched a lot of foreign videos. I don't know like how they always make the Indian accent in certain way, like we are like lame kind of. But it's up to their mindset, whatever some people have marketed how the Indian are, how the India is everything, how it has been marketed, or like how it has been injected to their blood, like how Indians are. But this is not the topic I should talk about. But I mean, I just told that because of some videos I have watched. It has influenced some of my style, the way I talk. Adeni God, I don't know whether I pronounced correctly. It's recording. I need to check and then I need to change the video whenever it's needed. The storage of what I have actually, I think it will cover my journey. This road is a little rough because of mud. I can feel what my bike is taking. The heat. Stand. Yeah. Maybe he's not attentive. But the good thing in this bike, especially the bike we are riding, it has some sensor. If your stand is down, then it will not start. As simple as that. Nowadays, a lot of bikes are having those features. And not just that feature, some bikes like low level or CC bike or something like that, so they have a light sensor. Okay, if they don't have that feature, okay, if your stand is down, then instead of shutting down, starting the bike, they are also putting some sensor. Okay, your stand is down in the like a display speedometer. Oh, after a long time I found a speed breaker that really really put me in position to bring down my gear. Actually, the max speed is maintained written for bike is 40 km. When I will cross this road, because this road is not look good. It's not good actually. Interesting. People have ridden in this area, but not in the middle, or it's hurting. It's completely hurting my bike and also me. We are connected. God, greatest of all time. looks like there will be road. Once the communication, the transportation, everything will be fixed, the whole state will, have some different pehchan, different identity. The state has its own identity, the real, good one. But in terms of economy and other stuff, we always stay like in certain number, which is not ideal because for better wages and better economic growth, we still look for other states, which is not good. I need to take some water actually. I need to check if how much water I have.